How to manage community posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage community posts on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down here. You can find this one, activity log, and you can click this one here. Click after that, click this one, community posts, and here you can manage community posts on Facebook mobile, easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.